here. This radiator is only hot here. Around here, getting cold and cold and cold. It's very cold up there. So that means that there is a lot of air inside there at the top, air and water on the bottom side of it. I have to take the air out. So right at the top here, there is a small valve. You should check the pressure here on the boiler. If it is low, then the radiator won't work properly. So what you should look is something like this. Is the pressure here? It should be at least we're in the green. In the green, which is 1 bar. Between 1 to 2 bar should be okay. If it's below that, the pressure won't reach radiator on the top floors. So to do this, usually there is a mechanism down there where you should just unscrew something. In this case is this one here. Unscrew it, then the pressure comes up. Once it's done, then you see the needle goes up there. It is just right now just over 1 bar. The pressure should be okay in my radiator. After that, what you need to do is go to the radiators and release the air from inside it as it comes. I have to open it slowly, anti-clockwise. Then you hear the air coming out. It is coming out still water. Just wait until water comes out from soon. Water will come out of here. Keep watching and be ready to close it. Still air coming out, and yeah, I can feel the heat. The heat is gradually coming up. Yeah. I can feel it. And now it was water there. Now. Yes. So now close it now properly. Clockwise. Make sure it is tight. For the purpose of the video, I left it as it is for you to see where the water is. So now, let me see. Yes, it is getting hot in here now. Fine, the radiator is working small steps. You don't need any engineer to come and do this for you. It's a DIY job done. Yes. If you like the video, please give me this. Thank you. So this is a radiator, is not working properly. The heat just reached somewhere here, halfway. The reason for this, because there is a lot of air at the top here, and the bottom is water. So I need to take out the air. The air comes out from this valve here. To open it, and screw it anti-clockwise. And keep watching. Can you hear it coming out now? It is coming out from here. Can you hear the sound? Watch for the water to come out from here. Yes, here it is. Can you see the water now? Here, the drips are here. Drips of water. Light is not enough. Oh, yeah. This is my water. And my radiator is dripping now. Yes. Close it properly, clockwise, and make sure it's tight and no water keeps coming out. And the job is done. Now the heat should reach up to the top here because there is no air inside, all air is out. Thank you for watching this video and see you on another video. Thank you.